Day 4. Let's get this little going on here. Let's check our lid since this isn't very good. Shake our solution up. Let's look what this looks like today. Oh boy. See me knocking them off. See how those are stuck to it right there. There we go. I made a mistake there and pulled up 2 lids. Careful about that. Well, look at that today. Notice it's still moist from before. A lot of this stuff I just moved around by accident. They're growing a little slower because it's a little cooler in here, but it is what it is. Alright. And these are 2 years old plus, so go ahead and water them with my solution. Plant nutrient. And by the research I've wondered about this plant nutrient. And it seems to be a natural solution according to what we're looking up on the internet. Pretty good stuff. It's FebruPart nutrient. And that's it for this morning. Please like, share, and subscribe. I guess I'll show you again. See how wet it is since I sprayed it. And that just feeds those plants what they need. It might take these longer to grow than normal, but more or less they're growing. Doesn't take much upkeep. And I'll see you again in a little bit for this evening's watering. Have a good day. Like, share, and subscribe. Okay, day 4, and this is the evening water. How y'all doing? You see all that little white fuzz? That's the root system growing. When they're white, it means they're healthy. If they're brown or tan, that means that they're getting mold. But these are healthy, white, and you want to keep these on top of the paper towel as much as possible, because when they get off that, they start losing their moisture. That paper towel is a base for the wicking system that wicks the moisture up. It keeps them moist. What do you think about that? Please put in your comments what you think about that. Like, subscribe, and share. Okay. Now I'm going to check my thing here and water them down again. This is the evening, the day 4. There's really not much you have to do, but it's like taking medicine. Put it on a kind of a timer, and like your critters, make sure you feed and water it. Nutrients in my water. Nice and wet, nice and wet. Yeah. Okay. Let you see that again. Get those things grow. All right. It's time. I'm going to put the lid back on it. Please like, share, and subscribe. And y'all have a good day.